Boston is much quieter than you would normally see on a Monday. We did see a couple of people early this morning trickling into work off of the ferry, but roads have been really quiet, and that is a good thing. Expect a lot of people to head back into the ferry, though, in the next couple of hours, making it home before this blizzard hits. We are already seeing a few snow flurries out here, but this is nothing compared to what we'll see later tonight into tomorrow. That blizzard warning goes into effect 7 o'clock Eastern time and lasts until 1 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. More than 24 hours under that blizzard warning, we are expected snowfall to accumulate 2 to 4 inches per hour during the height of the storm, which is expected to be during about 4 o'clock a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. tomorrow. We could see snow 2 to 3 feet in places, localized amounts even higher, and the snow drifts because of the wind could be above my head by tomorrow evening. We are talking about 7 and 8 foot snow drifts around the city because of 60 and 70 mile per hour winds. Whiteout conditions are forecasted across Boston for much of tomorrow. It is going to be a mess all up and down the East Coast. It will improve a little bit as far as the weather goes by late tomorrow, but we are going to be in this for the long haul. They are expected a lot of power outages as well because of the wind, so people could be without power for days, and temperatures are going to stay well below freezing for several days. Reporting in Boston, I'm Jennifer Gray.